5 miles today, give or take, in my hiking boots that I haven't worn in forever. So my dogs are barking. Which means I cannot pass up coming down to this beautiful water and getting my feet wet. Gorgeous. See how cold it is. Yeah, chilly. Ooh. Feels so good though. I think I'm gonna splash off a little bit right here before I go into town. Much better. All right, today was a beautiful day. I am ready to call it a day. Go get rest up and charge up and get everything charged and ready to go for another day tomorrow. We're gonna go catch some more waterfalls and maybe explore a cave or two. So, time now for rest.